Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A16. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select loyalty card you want to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's select gift card, and it's similar to loyalty card because we have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.